There are some reasons for deformation of membrane switch. Let's talk about them. First, temperature change. Raw material usually has a thermal expansion coefficient. When the ambient temperature changes, raw material will deform due to thermal expansion and contraction. The material will soften at high temperatures and easily crack at low temperatures. Second, aging. During long-term use, the membrane switch will age. It can cause bad performance of raw material and easily cause membrane switch to deform. Third, wrong material. The performance of membrane switch depends on the material. If you choose wrong material for application, it may cause membrane switch to deform during use. Fourth, problems in manufacturing. If there is something during manufacturing, membrane switch may be deformed during use. For example, when printing conductive layer, uneven thickness of the layer can affect shape stability of membrane switch and cause it to deform. Fifth, problems in assembly. If there is something wrong during assembly, such as insufficient assembly accuracy and improper use of adhesive, membrane switch may be deformed during use. Besides, excessive use and improper maintenance, such as too much pressure, untimely cleaning, and inadequate care, may cause membrane switch to deform during use. JRPanel has rich experience in customization and production of membrane switches and graphic overlays. Welcome to contact us and place an order.